Find the center of gravity of the following figure. This figure shows there is no symmetrical with x-axis or y-axis. So we have to find x bar and y bar for its CG. So let us name this plate 1, this plate 2, and this is plate 3. Now let us find area of each first. A1 equal 120 into 60. 120 is the length and 60 is the width, equal 7200 mm square. A2 equal, A2 is the semicircle, so pi r squared over 2, which is equal pi into 3.5 square over 2, which is equal not 3.5, this is 30 square, which is equal 1413 mm square. A3 is triangle, half base height, half into base is also is 60, because 120 minus 60 is 60 here. 60 into height also 60, which is equal 1800 mm square. Now consider this line is a reference axis. So first we calculate we keep the reference axis is here and here. Now x1 is 120 divided by 2 equal 60 mm. Then x2 is 120 plus 4r by 3 pi, which is equal 120 plus 4 multiplied the radius of the semicircle is 30 over 4 pi, which gives 12.74 mm square, sorry mm. Then x3 which is equal 60 by 2. The width of the triangle, half of that, equal 30 mm. Like that, let us calculate y1 from the base. Y1 is half of 60. 60 by 2 is 30 mm. Y2 equal center of the semicircle from the base, which is 60 by 2, same 30 mm. Y3 equal 60 plus 60 from half of the height of the triangle 60, which is equal 60 plus 30, 90 mm. Let us put in x bar. X bar equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 over a1 plus a2 plus a3, which is equal, a1 is 7200 into x1 is 60 plus a2 is 1413 and x2 is 12.74 plus a3 equal to 1800 and x3 is 30 over a1 is 7200 plus a2 is 1413 and a3 is 1800. By calculating, we get 40.40 mm. Similarly, y bar equal a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 over a1 plus a2 plus a3. a1 is 7200 into y1 is 30 plus a2 is 1413 and y2 is 30 plus a3 is 1800 and y3 is 90 over 7200 plus 1413 plus 1800. By calculation, we get some calculation error. y3 is 1/3 of 60, means 60 plus 20 equal 80 mm. Now we put here, instead of 90 we put 80, then we get, by calculation, we get y bar is 38.64 mm. We put this value in figure. X bar is 40.43. From here 40.43 and y is how much? Y is 38.64. Now this point is G approximately.